Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a payment PIN on your Binance application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance app on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. After this, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to set up a PIN so that every time you make a transaction, the application will ask you to enter this PIN, then press the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, click on the right arrow alongside your username and now tap on security. From this page, scroll down and then press the down arrow underneath password. You will then see the pay PIN option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can create your payment PIN. Make sure you follow the rules that are explained underneath and then enter your desired PIN. Now tap on confirm and you will be prompted to add one more verification method. This can be your passkey or your biometrics as well as an authenticator app. Choose whichever option you wish and press enable. You can finally confirm your method, and once this authentication is completed, your payment PIN or transaction PIN has successfully been added. Now, whenever you make your transaction, you can use this payment PIN to make all of your transactions. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a transaction PIN onto your Binance account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.